Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you all? Today is 24th May 2021 and the day is Monday. Today we are going to revise the story A Day in London. Gran came to stay. The children ran to next to meet her. Hooray, said Kipper. I love it when Gran comes to stay. She is good fun. So Gran come to stay with them, and children ran to meet her, and the kids are very excited, especially Kipper, because they have a lot of good time with. They spend good time with her. Gran brought presents for everyone. She gave mom and dad an ornament. Kipper had some little golf clubs, and Biff and Chip had a keyboard. Thanks, Gran, everyone said. Thanks, Gran, said everyone. So she bring gifts for everyone, and she gave mom and dad an ornament. Kipper had some golf club, and Biff and Chip had keyboard. They all said thanks. I have another surprise for you, said Gran. She gave the children some fun looking parcels. What they are, they said. Kipper. Boomerangs, said Gran. So they have another surprise for them, and she gave some funny looking parcel, and the children asked what they are, and she replied, yes, they are boomerang. The children wanted to see how the boomerangs won. The grand took them outside. She threw a boomerang and it whizzed through the air. Look out, shouted Graham. So the children wanted to see how the boomerang worked, and she showed it to them. She took them outside the house and she showed how it's worked. Kipper wanted to play with the golf club. Gran showed him what to do. She hit the ball, but she hit it too hard and it smashed a window. Oh dear, said Gran. So Kipper wanted to play with the little golf clubs, and Gran showed him how to play it, and she hit the ball so hard and smashed the window. Next day, Wilma, Will, Nadim, and Anina came to play. Biff and Chip showed them the keyboard. Gran had a good idea. Let's have a band, she said. The, Wilma, Nadim, and Anina, they are friends of Biff, Chip, and Kipper. They came to play with the Biff, Chip, and Kipper, and they showed the keyboard. So, Gran had an idea. Let's make a band, and they have a lot of fun. The band made a lot of noise, and the children had a good time. Whatever will do Gran do next, said Dad. She was. Then the children said Mom. Then they make a band and they make a lot of noise, but they enjoy a lot. Then the dad said what the Gran do next. Gran had promised to take the children on an outing. She said that Nadim and Anina could go to. I will take you to all London. Now the Gran promised them to take them to London, and she said that Nadim and Anina can go with them. Look after Gran, said Mom as they got into the car. Try and stop her getting into trouble. We will do our best, said Biff, but it won't be easy. And her mother asked Biff to look after the Gran, that she don't make any kind of trouble. When they got to London, Gran parked the car. Now we will take the tube, said Gran. It's the best way to get around. So when they go to the London, she parked the car and then take the tube, and she said this is the best way to go to London. There were lots of people waiting on the platform when the rain when the train came in. Everyone rushed to get on. Now I know why it is called a tube. And everyone gets squeezed. So they wait for train at a platform. When the train reaches there or come, everyone was hurry to get in. They went to Trafalgar Square. On the top of the column was a statue of Nelson. I would not like to be up there, said the Biff. I don't like the heights. First, they went to Trafalgar Square, and there is a column, and at the top of the column, there was a statue of Nelson. There were lots of pigeons in Trafalgar Square. Gran brought some nuts. The children feed the pigeon. Oh, help, said Nadine. I don't know that the pigeons were so greedy. So the Gran bring some nuts for pigeons to feed them, because there were a lot of pigeons. They went to Buckingham Palace. This is where the Queen lives, said Gran. It is enormous, said Anina. The Queen must be busy with all those rooms to clean. So they went to Buckingham Palace, where the queens live, and Anina said that it's very enormous, means big, and the queen must be busy in cleaning the room. A big car drove past and everyone cheered and waved. The children couldn't see who was inside the car. Perhaps it's the queen, said Bill. A car drove past with them, and everyone started cheering and waved, but they don't know if the queen is there inside or not. Grant took them on a boat. They went under the Tower Bridge. The children were excited because the bridge began to open. So they take them to the boat, and they went under the Tower Bridge. These are the two tower, and the bridge is going to be open when the boat is going to pass through it. It began to rain, and the wind blew. Everyone felt cold. Never mind, said Grain. We think to of some warmth to go next. Then suddenly, what happened? The rain starts and the wind blew, and everyone feel cold. So the Grand planned to go somewhere there is little bit there is any warm place. They went to Waxworks. What is Waxworks? Asked Skipper as they went in. It has wax model of famous people, said Anina. They look at the model. Don't they look funny? Said Skipper. You can tell they are model and not real people, said Anina. Waxworks is a place as a museum where they have models of famous people made by wax. They look like real, but they are not real. They made with wax. Who are these people? Asked Kipper. That is Queen, Victoria said Gran, and some of her grandchildren. She had lots of grandchildren, said Nadeem. Queen Victoria looked very fierce, said Viv. I bet she wasn't like you, Gran. Well, I would not like to be a queen, said Gran. It must be a hard job. So they went to the next. The children asked who are they. So she told them that she is Queen Victoria, and some of her grandchildren. And so Biff said that I bet that she wasn't like you. So Queen said, I don't want to be a queen because it's a very hard job. They looked at the street scene. This is what London was like a long time ago, said Grant. A lot of people were very poor. Poor children didn't go to school in those days. They had to work instead, said Grant. That boy carrying brushes is a sweep. His job was to climb up chimneys and brush shoot down. So now they have the scene of old time of London, and the people were very poor, and the poor children will not wasn't go to school in those days, and instead of going to school they had to work, and a boy is carrying a brush, and his job to climb up and clean the chimneys. Gran went off to look at the royal family, while the children stayed at the street scene. Do you think Gran should go off by herself? Said Viv. She can't do much harm in here, said Chip. Gran dropped her handbag and some money rolled among the models. Went to pick it up. As she bent down, she knocked into the waxworks and they began to fall over. So what will happen? The children are looking the street scene, and the Gran move on to the royal family. And Biff said that do you think that she should go off by herself? So Chip said she can't do anything harm in here. So suddenly what will happen? Gran drop her bag, and some money is rolled up now. So roll among the models. She went to pick it up, and she knocked the model, and all the models are going to fall down. Gran picked up the models up and put the heads back on. The children couldn't believe it. Gran, what are you doing? Said Biff. Don't just stand there, said Gran. Help me pick up the models before anyone sees. Oh, Gran, said Biff. I let you out of my sight for a second, and this happens. So she picked up the models and put the heads back. So the children said, what are you doing? So she said that don't stand there, come and help me out before pick up the models before anyone sees. So the Biff said that I let you out of my sight for a second, and this happened. They picked the models up and put the heads back on. They look strange, said Anina. I don't think the heads are right. Oh no, said Gran. A lady ran up. She was cross with Gran. I couldn't think how you knocked the models over in the first place. She said, I never been. It's never happened before. I am very sorry, said Gran. So they pick up the models and put the heads back. And Anina said, "Don't you think so that they look strange?" In the meantime, a lady ran up and she was very angry with Gran, and she said that uh, it never happened before. So Gran said, "I am sorry." I don't know, said Biff. I don't think they will let Gran in the waxworks again. Never mind, said Chip. Gran didn't mean to knock them over. Thank you for a great day out, said Nadeem. We had never been in London before. I liked the ride on the boat, said Kipper. Even if it was cold, I liked everything, said Anina. Last home at last, said Gran. We can tell Mom some of our adventures, but not all of them, and not the one about beheading the Queen. So Biff said that I don't think so that they will allow Grant to Wexworks again, and so Chip said, Never mind. She didn't mean to knock them over." And Nadeem said, "Thanks to Gran for a great day out." And Kipper said that I like the ride of boat best. And Anina said, I like each and every one. Then they reached the house and they said that they can tell some of our adventures to Mom, but not all of them, and not the beheading the Queen. For today, till here, see you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.